Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian and today I have another special video for you. This is an apartment that we, and when I say we, Camilo, my business partner, renovated. We're going to do a full video of a walkthrough with Camilo here. But I just wanted to show you guys this apartment because it just came up on the rental market. This apartment is perfect for a family. The owner is negotiable on the price. I'll put the price at the end screen. If he can find really good, safe renters. He actually has an Airbnb business, not here in Medellin, but outside of Medellin. And he would love to get for this brand new renovated apartment. It's really close to Mille de Oro, okay? And really close to Mall Santa Fe. But as you can see, it's big. I believe it's 150, 160 square meters. I'll get all the specifications, okay? But it's brand new, never been lived in as far as the renovation goes. Freshly renovated. It has a really nice balcony. Apparently, the owner tells me at night, it lights up really, really nicely. But I just want to show you guys that right over here, just beyond this building here is Mille de Oro. Mall Santa Fe, you can see we work through here. Mall Santa Fe is right there. And then Mall Oviedo is behind that building there. So super close to Mille de Oro. And there you've got Smart Fit. You've got a host of different restaurants. And you have hundreds of restaurants in this area here. Okay? So, but this is a beautiful, as you can see, it's actually a 3-bedroom. We'll go through and take a look at the bedrooms just after we get another look here at the kitchen. Okay, and then you've got your laundry room out back here. There's actually a service quarters in the back also. Okay, and again, put in a really nice Whirlpool oven. He's got the microwave here. Sorry, it's a little dark right now. It has a dishwasher and even has a garburator, which is very rare here. I love having a garburator, as you can see right down there. So really nice kitchen. Okay, gas range. Again, a really nice layout to this apartment here. He's decorated it really well. Camilo did a great job on this apartment, but I wanted to get this in and show you guys today because it's still available and he would like a year lease on this apartment. Okay, again, perfect for families. Right here you've got your social bathroom. And then out here you have like an office area. And as you can see, I guess he's a rock and roll fan with David Bowie on the wall there. And then here you've got adjoining bedrooms. Okay. Each bedroom has its own TV, and each bedroom, as you can see up to the right there, has air conditioning. Okay, but the great thing about this apartment is the location. It's just a killer location. For me, this is one of the best neighborhoods. It's in Alexandria. I mentioned that in my walking video of Alexandria, that if you want to be close to grocery stores, malls, everything is in this area here. Okay, walkable to everything. And then right here you have an adjoining bathroom here. Okay, and it features, as you can see, really beautiful tub, and then double rain showers right here. And then over here, his and her sink. Okay, and if you go right through here, You have another bedroom, which could also be an office. Again, this is a 3-bedroom apartment. Air con in every bedroom. And I really wanted to get this video out even before I do a walkthrough video with Camilo, which I will do, and he's going to describe the full renovation process and how we found this apartment for the client. Okay, but again, this one won't last long because of the location. And again, we'd really like to get in a couple or a family, really safe renters. That's what our client is looking for. Okay, and then here is the master bedroom washroom. And as I said, I will put you directly in touch with the owner to negotiate on this apartment. And again, he is open to negotiation because the most important thing for him is to get really good renters. He wants to rent it for a year. He's ready to go, and the apartment's ready to go. So let's take one last look out to the living room. Again, you could have the second bedroom here as an office if you would like, or you've got office space here in the hallway. But again, really beautiful kitchen. We'll try and get in here at night because he says the lighting here is spectacular at night. But as you can see, ample space. Technically, the bedroom, the service quarters are behind the kitchen. Could be another bedroom also. Okay, and this is included in the price to have a cleaner come in, I believe once, maybe even twice a week. That's included. Okay, just so you guys know. Again, really nice patio here, but the most important thing is the neighborhood here of Alexandria. You're close to everything. Just beyond this building here, over here, is 2 towers right here is Mila de Oro. So, okay. And beautiful views. You can hear the parakeets right now. So, take one last look inside. Again, this apartment is ready to go. So if you are interested in getting a viewing of this apartment, again, an apartment for rent or long-term lease, you can quote Alexandria Apartment Vista or Vista Alexandria. Either one, I'll know what you're talking about. And you can contact us at expatcrib.com/contact. And just quote that apartment and we will get back to you as soon as possible. All right, this is Ian from ExpatCrib. Hope you've enjoyed this little walkthrough of this brand new renovated apartment here for rent in Alexandria.